guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel once again. Okay, so today we're actually gonna be doing a little hack, like a DIY that I've seen a lot on Instagram and I've seen a lot on YouTube, and I've actually seen products that are sold that basically do the same thing as this. So the ones that I've seen has been the MAC Cosmetics Gold Light, Fenty Beauty, the lava spray it's like a spritz that makes your skin glowy, and I've also seen the one from Iconic Beauty or Iconic London. So it's pretty much like a facial spray, sort of like a setting spray, and what they have is they have a little bit of a highlight. There's a way that you can do it on your own, so I thought that I would try myself too. So I have some products that I have right over here. We're gonna be doing it together, so if you guys want to do this, you probably already have stuff in your house that you can use for this if you want to try at home. So I'll just show you very quickly what I have that I'm going to be using for this tutorial. I just have a little empty spray bottle. This is from the ColourPop setting spray that I've already finished and I washed very well. So there's nothing at all in here. I have some rose water. You don't have to use rose water. This one's the one from Trader Joe's. But you can use like if you have a setting spray, an extra setting spray or facial spray, you can use that. So you don't really have to purchase anything. The next thing is I'm gonna include a couple drops of beauty oil. This is not necessary, but I like my skin to be hydrated and luminous, so I'm gonna include a couple of these. Last thing that I'm pretty sure everyone has at home, for sure everyone has this at home, is a highlighter or an eyeshadow that you like that works as a highlighter that's shattered. Yes! So for the second time in a row, this is Champagne Pop from Becca Cosmetics, and it completely shattered. I used to carry it in my bag to use as a mirror, and that was a bad idea. But yeah, it shattered it.
So I don't think it's gonna make much of a difference, but what is?
If you guys want to see a tutorial on this look, it's coming because I recorded it. It's so pretty. First thing I'm gonna start doing is I'm gonna start pouring a little bit of the rose water into this empty container. I'm gonna fill it about halfway. Now that we have this is our rose water. I'm gonna throw in a little bit of the rose gold elixir from Fasali. This is just basically a beauty oil that has like gold flakes in it, and we're gonna throw in there 1, 2, 3, 4, about 4 little drops. A little bit of the Fasali beauty oil goes a long way, so you don't need to put a lot. We're gonna take that shattered piece, grab whatever is already like, you know, busted, pretty much just crush it. And so it's a very fine product. So I'll show you guys what it looks like. Here it is. I'm gonna put about, let's see, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, perfect. That is it. What we're gonna do is we're gonna close it tightly and we're gonna give it a good shake. Ooh, that looks like a hot mess. That doesn't look too good. You can't really see it, guys, because the lighting is not too great. You just gotta give it like a good shake so that it dissolves everything all together, and it's gonna give you like a nice luminous finish. This is not gonna give you like that super highlighted look like we have over here, because obviously it's not something that you want all over your face unless that's the look that you're going for. Because I am using the rose water, this is actually gonna hydrate my skin, so this is perfect because my skin gets very dry. Like, even though I get oily, my skin feels dry and patchy. So pretty much when your skin is oily, it's asking you for hydration. I'm just gonna set my foundation. So the rose water smells amazing and it feels so hydrating. Doesn't really make much of a difference. It has a little bit of a luminous finish, which looks very nice. That's kind of the thing that I'm into. Another great tip is to keep your face mist or your setting spray inside your fridge, so that whenever you're finished doing your makeup, you just spray yourself and you feel hydrated and instantly refreshed. Before I step out of the door, I just go straight to my refrigerator, spritz my skin, and then I'm ready to go. So that's like a cool tip to know. Yeah, guys, that's it for this video. Stay tuned for this makeup look coming soon, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.